Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PBS video step by step clearly. To activate PBS video, first, download the PBS video app on your device. Open the app after installation. If you already have an account, select the sign in option. For new users, tap on create account to register. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Check your email for a verification link to activate your account. Click the link to verify your email. Return to the PBS video app and select Sign in again. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Look for the Activate or Link Device option. You will see a unique activation code on your screen. Visit the PBS activation website on a computer or mobile browser. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to the PBS video app. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite PBS shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.